Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the tangent of angle B in this figure is 3/4, and if we know that BC is 15 and DA is 4, we're asked what is the length of DE. So first, what does it mean for the tangent of B to be 3/4? Well, the tangent is the ratio of the opposite side to the angle to the adjacent side. So that means that AC, the opposite side to B, over AB, the adjacent side, is 3/4. So let's just say there's some variable x, right? AC can be equal to 3x and AB can be equal to 4x. And then for whatever x is, the ratio is going to be 3/4. Okay. So if we know that AB is 3x and AC is 3x and AB is 4x, what does that make BC? Right? Since ABC is a right triangle, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, Pythagorean theorem. A and b in this situation are the legs of the right triangle, so the two sides that are not the hypotenuse, which is AC and AB in this situation, AB, AC. So we have 3x squared plus 4x squared is equal to c squared. 3 squared is 9x squared plus 4 squared is 16x squared is equal to c squared. 9x squared plus 16x squared is 25x squared is equal to c squared. So therefore, taking the square root of both sides, the square root of c squared is c is equal to the square root of 25 is 5, the square root of x squared is x. So c is equal to 5x. C is also BC, right? It's equal to 15. So 5x is equal to 15. Dividing both sides by 5, we can get that x is equal to 3. So when AC is equal to 3x, that's 3 times 3, that's 9. AB is 4x, so that's 4 times 3, that's 12. So now we have let's write in our values that we know. We know that BC is 15. We know that AC is 9. We know that AB is 12. And we know that DA is 4. So we want to find the length of DE. So we are going to have, first of all, we want to find the length of BD. BD is the AB is this whole side minus AD, this part of it, is going to give us what's left, which is BD. Therefore, BD, what we're looking for, is AB, which is 12, minus AD, which we're given as 4. Therefore, BD is 8. And in this set of triangles, we have a big triangle, right? A, B, C, pretend that line isn't curved, it's an actual triangle. We have this little triangle up here, B, D, E. And they both share angle B, and they both have a right angle. So there's two sets of angles that are equal in these triangles, therefore they are similar triangles. So their sides are proportional to each other. So the vertical side here, right, so BD over AB, right, the ratio of the little version to the bigger version is equal to the other ratios of the little version of the bigger version. So this bottom side here, DE over the bigger one, AC, right? So if we're thinking about this as like, this is the 4x side and the 3x side and the 5x side. Well, these are also going to be 4x, 3x, and 5x, just with different x's because they're smaller. But the ratio is still there. That's where this ratio comes from, right? BD is 4x, or sorry, BD is 4x, and AB is 4x. DE is 3x, and AC is 3x. So therefore, this ratio is going to be, they're going to be equal. So we have BD is 8 over AB, the whole thing is 12, is equal to DE, which is what we're looking for, over AC, which we know is 9. So we want to not run out of space here, so I'll write it up here. 8 over 12 is equal to DE over 9. I think the easiest way to solve this is by cross multiplying. So we have 8 times 9 is equal to 12 times DE. 8 times 9 is 72 is equal to 12 times DE. If we divide both sides by 12, we have 72 over 12 is equal to 12 DE over 12. This means DE is all that's left on this side, is equal to 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6. So 6, the length of DE, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.